Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Gemini Credit Card, a crypto rewards card that's turning heads in the financial world. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just someone looking for an innovative way to earn rewards, this card might be worth considering. Let's talk about its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll find if it's the right fit for you. Let's get started. The Gemini Credit Card is designed for those who love the idea of earning cryptocurrency as a reward for everyday spending. Here's the big draw. You earn crypto rewards instantly on every purchase, and they're deposited directly into your Gemini account. That's right, no waiting for a statement cycle. You can start benefiting from the potential price appreciation immediately. Plus, if you sign up by March 31st, 2025, and spend $3,000 in your first 90 days, you'll earn a $200 bonus in crypto. It's quick to get started too. You can see if you pre-qualify within minutes, and you know the best part? It won't impact your credit score. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no exchange fees to acquire your rewards. All of these options make this card a tempting choice for frequent travelers and spenders alike. Now let us talk about the main features of the Gemini Credit Card. Crypto rewards. You earn 4% back on gas and EV charging, 3% back on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. These rewards are deposited instantly into your Gemini account. No fees. This card truly stands out for its fee-free approach. No annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no exchange fees for crypto rewards. This means you get more value out of every dollar spent. Family sharing. You can add up to 5 family members or trusted individuals to your account. Not only can you track spending by user, but you can also help others build credit together. Competitive APR. The standard variable APR ranges from 17.24 to 29.24%. depending on your creditworthiness. However, late or return payments can trigger a penalty APR of 34.24%, so be sure to pay on time. Security. Like any top-tier credit card, it comes with enhanced security features, making it a reliable option for everyday use. Now let's talk about the costs. The Gemini Credit Card has no annual fee as mentioned earlier, no foreign transaction fees, no exchange fees to acquire your crypto rewards. But there are fees for selling or converting your end crypto. The APR ranges are competitive, but there's a penalty of 34.24% that is worth noting if you make a late payment, so avoid late payments to steer clear of these high rates. While these terms are standard for credit cards, it's crucial to keep them in mind. Now we discussed the pros and cons of using the Gemini Credit Card. Let's start with the pros. Earn rewards in crypto instantly. No waiting periods. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee or exchange fees for rewards. Competitive cashback rates, especially for gas and dining. Easy family sharing options to manage spending and build credit together. Pre-qualification without impacting your credit score. How about the cons? The penalty APR is steep at 34.24%. Fees apply when selling or converting crypto rewards. Limited appeal for those who aren't interested in cryptocurrency. And it's not ideal for carrying a balance due to the high standard APR range. Now here's a question to think about. Is this card worth it in 2025? Well, it depends on your financial goals. If you're into cryptocurrency or you want to explore earning rewards in a new, tech-forward way, this card is a game changer. Instant rewards, fee-free usage, and generous cashback categories make it a standout option. However, if you're not into crypto or you prefer traditional cashback rewards that don't fluctuate in value, this might not be your best bet. The Gemini Credit Card offers exciting opportunities, but as with any financial tool, it's important to weigh the potential benefits against your personal spending habits and financial goals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Freedom Unlimited, American Express Gold Card, and Crypto.com Visa Card. So there you have it, a complete rundown of the Gemini Credit Card. If you're interested in applying, head over to their website to learn more. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.